Alright, you hungry lot. Gordon Ramsay here. And today, we're not just cooking, we're unleashing a culinary firestorm. Authentic Mapo Tofu. This isn't your average weeknight meal. This is an explosion of savory, spicy, and wonderfully numbing flavors that will make you question every takeaway you've ever ordered. Forget bland. Forget boring. We're diving into the heart of Szechuan cuisine. And trust me, your taste buds are about to thank you. Let's get cracking. Now, don't you dare scrimp on these incredible ingredients. Because every single one plays a vital role in building our flavor bomb. We've got 500 grams of firm tofu. Drained and cut into perfect 2 cm cubes, none of that silken nonsense here. We need structure. Next, 200 grams of beautifully minced pork. Then 3 cloves of garlic, a thumb-sized piece of ginger, and 2 spring onions, all finely chopped. The stars of the show? 2 tablespoons of fiery Cuisine doubonjang, that's fermented broad bean paste. Crucial for that authentic Szechuan kick. And don't forget a tablespoon of fermented black beans, a teaspoon of ground Szechuan peppercorns, some light soy sauce, and a touch of chicken stock. Absolutely essential. Every last bit. Right. Precision is paramount. So let's get this prep done properly. You donkeys. First, the tofu. Gently, gently. We're not playing rugby with it. Cut it into beautiful 2 cm cubes. Not too small, not too big, because it needs to hold its shape and absorb all that incredible sauce. Next, for the pork, ensure it's finely minced. This isn't a chunky stew. It's a symphony of textures. Finely chop your ginger, garlic, and the white parts of your spring onions. They need to release their aromatic magic immediately. These small details, they are the difference between a good dish and an absolutely phenomenal one. Don't you forget it. Walk on. High heat. Let's get this party started. A tablespoon of vegetable oil. Get it shimmering, almost smoking. Now, throw in that beautiful minced pork. We're not just cooking it. We're rendering out that glorious fat, getting it beautifully golden brown and crispy. Don't overcrowd the pan. You want to sear, not steam. You hear me? Keep it moving. Keep that heat up. Watch for those edges to turn a delightful golden hue. That's where the flavor lives. That's the foundation of something truly spectacular. Absolutely crucial first step. Don't mess it up. Once that pork is golden and glorious, push it to one side of the wok. Now, into the hot oil goes our finely chopped ginger and garlic. Let them sizzle and release their intoxicating aroma for about 30 seconds. Don't burn them, or you'll ruin the whole bloody dish. Then, that incredible Cuisine doubonjang, straight in. Stir it vigorously. Bloom that paste for a minute until the oil turns a beautiful, vibrant red. This is where the magic truly begins. Add the fermented black beans and a generous teaspoon of ground Szechuan peppercorns. Stir everything together. Let those flavors meld, creating a truly aromatic base. Now, for the glorious sauce. The heart of our Mapo Tofu. Pour in about 200 milliliters of chicken stock. A splash of light soy sauce for that savory depth.